In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can improve your sales and better manage your store on Amazon in the Middle East. How can you get the infamous strike-through price on your Amazon listing? And what are two softwares that you can use right now in order to manage your Amazon store more efficiently? Let's get started. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society. We help entrepreneurs, brands and businesses launch their products and succeed on Amazon in the Middle East. If you want to learn more about us, you can visit our website right here. And you can also check the free masterclass on the website. So let's get started. You want the infamous strike-through price. Why do you want it? Well, because it showcases a bargain to Amazon customers. And let's face it, who doesn't like a bargain? So everyone is a little bit more intrigued when they're shopping online, when they find that something is discounted. Even if it's a tiny discount like a 5% or even sometimes a 3% discount, it's still more interesting for customers, and it might get you the type of customer that is actually looking for a bargain and someone that is going to convert quickly. So it is not easy for you to get the strike through when you first get started on Amazon or when you first list your product on Amazon. I'm not sure if you faced this problem or not, but the reason is because Amazon really want to take care of clients and customers, and they don't want sellers to defraud customers. So when you are actually doing a sale price or you're discounting your product, then it actually has to be a discount. Meaning you can't just list your product and have a discount straight away. Amazon will not showcase the infamous strike through because, well, you just listed your product. Now, there is one trick I'm going to teach you in this video that can help you get the strike-through price a little bit quicker, and then I'm going to talk about the second tip. Let's get going. As you can see here in the offers tab of your listing, of any listing, you've got three types of prices. Most people, when they create a listing, they ignore completely the recommended retail price. The recommended retail price is exactly that. It's a recommended retail price. Basically, this particular product that you're selling right now, how much should it be sold in retail? So what you want to do here, so for example, in this instance, the price that I want to sell this product for is for 50 dirhams. However, I'm always going to say that I'm giving a better offer of my product for the Amazon customer. And right here, for the recommended retail price, which by the way, nobody sees except you and Amazon, I'm going to put a higher price. So I'm going to put, but something normal. So I'm going to put 80 dirhams, not something astronomical like 1,000. So I'm going to put 80 dirhams. So this way I'm showcasing that I'm actually giving the Amazon customer a better price than if I had my own retail store or if I have my own website. Okay. Now, to create a sale price, this is where you need to go. I log in here. I type in whatever price I'm willing to sell my product for. So let's say I just want to do a 10 dirham discount. And then I need to decide on the start and end date. So today is the 11th of February. And I'm just going to do it from 11 till 28. And then you go down here and you click save and finish, and then it'll be done. Now, even when you do this, if it is a brand new listing, it's not going to be visible on Amazon. So the strike-through price isn't always going to show, especially if it's a brand new listing, especially if this is the first time you actually list the product. However, having a high recommended retail price might get the strike-through price a little bit faster. Now, if you don't get the strike-through price, what can you do? Well, you need to sell more units. Once you sell more units, then what happens is Amazon are going to showcase the strike-through price because now you've got a few sales under your belt. So the strike-through issue is going to only be a problem if this is a brand new listing and you don't have any sales. Okay, now moving on, let's talk about two softwares that are currently in your Amazon marketplace, and they are approved softwares by Amazon, and yes, they work for Amazon UAE, Amazon KSA as well. Number one, SellerBoard. The reason why I'm talking about SellerBoard in this particular video is because a lot of you are worried with getting, if you are a reseller, you're worried that you're gonna basically lose the buy box. Or if you are a private label seller and you've created your own listing, well, obviously you're worried that somebody's gonna jump on that listing and hijack you. So the reason that I'm talking about SellerBoard is because SellerBoard, one of their features is they have an alert system, and they will alert you whenever you lose the buy box as a reseller, or whenever somebody jumps on your listing or on a listing that you are currently selling in. Now, for Amazon Sellers Society, you get a 2 months free trial of SellerBoard. I will leave the link in the description box below if you haven't already tried it out. I suggest that you try it out because SellerBoard really does have a lot of other features that can help you better manage your Amazon store. The other software that I want to talk about is Sello. Sello.io. Sello is actually a Swedish company. They have an amazing software, and yes, it has a 14-day free trial. It is particularly important for anyone who's selling in multiple marketplaces, or if you're selling on multiple platforms. Meaning, if you have your current Shopify store, for example, and you're selling some of your products on Amazon, how can you connect them together and make life easier for you by managing everything under one dashboard? That's what Sello.io can help you. And yes, Sello.io is integrated with Amazon UAE and KSA, and you can use it to manage your sales across multiple platforms, be it even if you sell on eBay or other marketplaces all around the world. So I suggest you check it out, Sello.io. Now, as always, in each and every video, we have a small competition whereby you can win a 1-hour Zoom call with me. All you need to do is like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, and make sure you follow us on Instagram, Amazon Sellers Society, to find out if you won. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.